Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a really short video for a new kit that I've put together. There are 19 pages in total, and it is, as you can see, very much based on a mixed media background, albeit with a bit of a vintage touch. So there are 6, if you like, main designs. So that's one of them. And then that one, so there's if you like, a plain version. And then these ones I've added architectural. So there are buildings and bits of buildings, because it fitted with what I needed to do, I'm afraid. So if we run through them now, I've explained the premise of it. So we have a blank sheet, if you like, if you can call that blank. So very much based on a theme. And then we have the one with the architect's drawings on the back. And then that's the second one. A bit lighter. I'm liking the rusty colours on that one, actually. That appeals. And then one with buildings and detail on it. If I get rid of these bits, and then there we go. So the back, these actual things are backgrounds that I made up for a part of a course that I'm on, and I needed some background. So I thought, oh, get those together. Really like them, so I thought I'm going to put these into a kit. So these are backgrounds that I've made and I've had a play around with, including where I dropped a load of water, as you can see. And then we have the one with the drawing on the top, or the detail. And so that's, I think, number 4. And same again. So we have detail or no detail. And so I'm thinking that that one must be number 5 for that one. And with the detail. And the last one. And the detail. Now then, it also includes, I've taken 3 of the images, 3 of the plain images, and I've really lightened them up. So that was the first one. I wasn't sure if these could be used as backing pages or just general ephemera, or even just a nice contrast to the bright colours in the kit. That's all. Get it in camera. That's that one. And then I have 4 pages of ephemera or things to go with it. So we have the note card. Sorry, wasn't looking at my screen. So we have note cards. And those ones are file folders. And then we have if I turn it that way, a couple of coin envelopes. I really like the way that turned out, actually. That's and this one, and a couple of large envelopes. So there we go. If you like, it's 2 mini kits rolled into one big kit. Yeah, like I say, I was looking for something from my own art course, and then thought, ooh, once I'd made it, I really like this. So these are actually a combination of inks and paints and all sorts of different techniques which I've put on these. So I will be listed. It will be listed in both Etsy and on my website. So I hope you've enjoyed having a look. It will, but I'm going to use it in my next journal as well, so that'll be interesting. Right, thanks very much for watching. Short and sweet. and I will speak to you all later. Bye.